Hydroponics is a way to grow plants without soil. It's a method that has been used for centuries. One of the earliest examples is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Today, hydroponics is becoming popular again. It is a sustainable way to grow food. In hydroponics, plants get nutrients from water. This water is enriched with everything they need to grow. This method gives growers more control over the plant's diet. It also allows for faster growth compared to traditional soil gardening. Hydroponics is used all over the world. It is ideal for urban environments and places with poor soil. It allows for year-round growth of fresh produce. This is a major advantage for food security. Hydroponics is a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and modern technology. It offers a glimpse into the future of sustainable food production. It empowers anyone to grow their own food, regardless of location or soil conditions. Just like humans, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. In hydroponics, we provide these nutrients directly in the water. The essential nutrients for plant growth are categorized as macro and micronutrients. Macronutrients are needed in larger quantities. They are the building blocks of plant tissues. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth. Phosphorus is essential for root development and flowering. Potassium contributes to overall plant health and disease resistance. Micronutrients, while needed in smaller amounts, are equally important. They act like vitamins for plants. Calcium is crucial for cell wall strength. Magnesium is a key component of chlorophyll. Iron aids in chlorophyll production and nutrient uptake. Understanding the roles of macro and micronutrients is essential for successful hydroponic gardening. By carefully monitoring and adjusting these elements, we can optimize plant growth and yield. Both hydroponics and soil gardening have their merits. The choice between the two depends on individual needs and resources. Soil gardening is familiar to many. It offers a natural environment for plants to grow. Hydroponics, however, offers more control over the growing environment. It delivers nutrients directly to plant roots, resulting in faster growth rates and higher yields. This method also conserves water by recirculating the nutrient solution. One key difference is the need for monitoring. Soil acts as a buffer, mitigating nutrient fluctuations. In hydroponics, nutrient levels can change rapidly, requiring more frequent monitoring and adjustments. Despite the need for diligent monitoring, hydroponics offers a rewarding and efficient way to grow your own food. It is a sustainable and productive alternative to traditional soil-based gardening. Monitoring nutrient levels is crucial for successful hydroponics. Regular testing helps ensure your plants receive the right amount of nutrients. There are simple tools and techniques to monitor and adjust these levels effectively. A pH meter measures the acidity or alkalinity of the nutrient solution. The ideal pH range for most plants is between 5.5 and 6.5. An EC meter measures the electrical conductivity of the solution, indicating the overall nutrient concentration. Test kits provide a more detailed analysis of individual nutrient levels. These kits typically use reagents and color charts to indicate the concentration of each element. Regular monitoring helps identify potential problems early on. Yellowing leaves, stunted growth, or leaf burn can indicate nutrient imbalances. By addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure healthy plant growth. For more in-depth information on hydroponic nutrient management, visit Castoponics. Their website offers a wealth of resources to help you succeed in your hydroponic journey.